One of your lead developers just retired. He maintained your critical batch processing application for 20 years. Your team has just inherited an application that nobody fully understands. No documentation, no context, and no clear picture of what's really going on inside. Before anyone touches that code, management needs to understand the application. Which programs are consuming the most development effort? Where are the hidden risks? And what should you fix first? Today, those answers live in one person's head, or nowhere at all. With BMC AMI zAdviser Enterprise, they're all in one place. zAdviser Enterprise Application Analysis takes thousands of lines of COBOL and turns them into instant understanding. Right away, it tells us this application has 49 programs and roughly 10,700 lines of code. But instead of just listing programs, it mapped the full architecture, distinct subsystems called hierarchies, and how every component relates to each other. For the most complex programs, you get a deep technical analysis. Take BMXTCOB, the most complex program in the application. zAdviser automatically identified its business function, along with the processing rules, the control flow, data structures, and external dependencies, all extracted directly from the code. It also flags risk areas and delivers modernization recommendations. Here, zAdviser identified a high-severity risk, an in-memory table overflow that could silently corrupt data. And it recommended specific improvements, practical changes a team can act on immediately. But analyzing the source code is only half the picture. Let's look at what zAdviser telemetry reveals about production stability, and this is where the data really starts telling a story. Over 90 days, zAdviser captured 47 abends across 75 programs. On the surface, that seems manageable, about 1 every 2 days. The overall stability category comes back as good. But here's where the analytics earn their keep. This is not a broad quality problem, it's a highly concentrated failure pattern. 73 out of 75 programs have 0 abends. Just 2 are responsible for every single failure. And 1, CWXTCOB, accounts for 89% of all production abends, with a risk score of 438. That's flagged critical. Now look at the abend code analysis. The dominant code is SOC 7, a data exception. CWXTCOB is processing invalid numeric data, likely a data quality issue coming from upstream feeds. zAdviser correlated abend telemetry and pointed the team directly at the root cause. Without this view, you might spend weeks chasing what seem like random production issues. With zAdviser, fix the data pipeline feeding CWXTCOB, and you eliminate nearly 90% of your production instability. This is what application analysis delivers. Your team has a complete picture of an application that would have taken weeks to document. The architecture, the business logic, the risks, and specific modernization steps. For development managers, this provides real data for the questions leadership asks. Where your team is spending effort, where modernization will pay off, and a business case built on evidence, not assumptions. BMC AMI zAdviser Enterprise Application Analysis. Application intelligence that protects institutional knowledge and gives every organization the context to move faster. Request a live demo to see your applications through a completely new lens.